In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your watermark from your TikTok video and also from other people's TikTok videos. So if you want to find out how to do that, keep watching and let's get started right now. So step number one is going to the TikTok video, click on the three dots and then click on copy link. So you want to make sure to copy the link from the TikTok video that you want to remove the watermark from. Now next up, you want to download an app called SnapTik. Okay, so that's SnapTik. Let me click right there. SnapTik. As you guys heard there, download the app. If it's not available on iOS, you want to go to the website snaptik.app right there, and that would also work. But once you have the app, you want to open it. So for me, it's right there. I'm going to open it. Then you want to paste that link in there, or it's already going to be right there. Then all you need to do is click on download video HD or download video. Now I want it to be in HD with no watermark. So click right there, click on confirm, click on allow, and there you go. It's downloading. You're going to get an ad which you can just skip, or you would just have to wait. Okay, so you have to wait. It shouldn't take too long. Click right there and then click on play right there. And as you can see right there, there's no watermark at all. If you then go into your gallery, you'll find this album which is called SnapTik Videos, and right there is my video. If I click on play video, you'll see that there's no watermark at all here or there. So that's how you can actually remove the watermark from TikTok videos. Once again, the app is called SnapTik. I'm not getting paid to make this video whatsoever. It's just the best way to do this. Now, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. If this works, then leave a like as well and let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, that's it. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.